This is roller coaster track. The indoor roller coaster, the not so scary one. Okay, me and my brother here. Say hi. Okay, my brother and I. Hi. 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 Okay, we are here waiting. We are here waiting for the people taking the roller coaster to come past us, screaming. Because the track here is slightly tilted. And my brother told me that people will scream when they come here, because he was here just now. He was watching them while I was looking at other stuff, looking at this store here. And my brother was watching other people scream, huh? People will scream right when they come here. Right?
Yeah.
Say yeah louder.
Yeah.
See, my brother said yes. She told me, and so now I'm waiting for the roller coaster to come. Yeah. Okay, now my mother is here waiting also. Oh yeah, they're coming soon. They're coming, I can hear people screaming. I hear the movement. Oh yes. Oh yeah, shit, they never scream. They weren't screaming. You see, there's a stupid deer that I wrote yesterday on top. They didn't scream. Yeah, they are lousy. The people yesterday I thought was screaming my hell. See? Slow in there. Lousy, yeah.